Hey there, folks. All right, need some opinions from the community on the trim color for Pappy's Cigar and Pipe Shop, or yet to be named. So this is what we have here. Hopefully it comes up on camera okay. But we got CNW green, pale green, deep green, flat green, Russian Armor green, dark green, and JN green. So let's see, I'm not sure how well color correction with the camera and such. So what I'm talking about is the trim. Let's see, this up here, like the corner trim, and then the front of the building, the front entrance, which is this part here, and like the window trims, you know, like the window there. So and also, so these are like the pillars, and so, you know, just the basically the you know, the front entrance there, top of the brickwork, and then like all the corner trim there, and, you know, the front door, and then the windows. Now I'm gonna do the main building. I am gonna probably do the main building like antique white, so it'll be white on green. So yeah, so these are the greens I have. Again, CNW green, pale green, deep green, flat green, Russian Armor green, dark green, and JN green. So yeah, those are the colors. So if you could, you know, give me some, you know, opinions on what you think. A couple I'm leaning towards is kind of this this JN green. It looks kind of black, or even like the deep green. Pale greens, you know, they all got their pluses and minuses. The only one I'm not too keen on really is the CNW green, but it might look kind of good. But remember, it's a storefront, right? So now how Doug did his, he did his in black. So and it looks kind of good, but you know, I kind of leaning towards deep green or to go darker. I know this doesn't look green. It looks more black, but it is on white, and it is cardboard, so the shade will be a little bit different. But yep, that's what I got. So leave your opinions down below, and any suggestions is greatly appreciated. So until next time, folks, remember, be kind.